Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Well, before I present my newspaper. Let me introduce my crew. So my name is Muhammad Iqbal Muli, and I'm Mr. Nita.
And I'm Hassan.
So let's discuss the newspaper. First, the name. Why we give the name the Fraction News? I think we'd like to present our news to Parepare so they can know what is the fraction is. And the fraction is the first acceleration, the first generation of acceleration. And the slogan is make you feel the news. We don't want you only read the news, but we want you to feel it. We want you to feel the news. Let's discuss the headline news. The title of the headline news is Senior High School to Parepare Infrastructure Plan. According to the report of the Head Department Education Parepare, Dr. Andes Mustafa Andi Mapangara, that for the regional infrastructure fund balance 2012 as many as 5 events in Parepare, one of which is infrastructure development project Senior High School to Parepare. Senior High School to Parepare had master infrastructure related. Mr. Hardy said that the plan for Senior High School to infrastructure of short term, and that's making proposal to the government about using the science laboratorium because nowadays the science laboratorium is used as classroom, so the student couldn't do any assignment related to the science experiment that needs science laboratorium. Also, he hoped that the first phase of school development will finish in March, and the science laboratorium will using space again. So, in long term, along with the second phase of the school development will be finished, all the sports need fully equipped, including soccer, tennis, basketball, and etc. And also, he hoped that the school will give the gymnasium building. The budget would be proposed to the local government and central government about all the school needs. The budget of the school development is directly from the central government. The budget of first phase of school development estimated around 40.7 billion rupiah, and the second phase requires the rest of the total budget, and that is 9.8 billion. So that's all about our headline. So let's discuss the
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Well, thanks for the opportunity for me to present my article. Okay, you can see Valentine according to Islam. In this article, I explain the history of Valentine. You know Valentine Day, don't you? Valentine Day usually celebrated by young people, but don't you know it is forbidden by Islam? Because Valentine is first celebrated by Muslims to commemorate the fall of Islam. If you celebrate it, it's like you support it. So, why should we celebrate Valentine? Valentine Day is a day when the fall of Islam is finished. We as young people should not destroy ourselves by doing something that is forbidden by Islam, because Valentine's Day, which is called the day of the fall of our religion, is Islam. We can express our love the same people and care every day and every moment. Not only during Valentine's Day, it's only valid once a year. Okay, I think that's all, and thank you very much for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I'm going to read my article. It's about restoration phase in Parepare, and it's about water boom. The title is Water Boom Belly. Water boom Parepare now been transformed into the belly of residents in the area Jataparang to fill holiday weekends and school holiday for students. On every weekend, dozens of buses and private cars from different regions or on the Parepare water boom crowding in the region. Dozens and private cars and buses from the forest areas such as Baru, Pinrang, Sidrak, or Entrega. Vehicle was operated in 2010 are complete of facilities
such as like rides, mosque and canteens or car staff. And about the safety of the visitor, it is absolutely the manager Waterboom Parepare. There is also a concern, concern for the manager. Therefore, do not surprise if the visitors there see there are some well-good men and look fit. They are the officers who will assist visitors at any time. If any have a problem, they will not school in the pool like a drawing. Officer from the manager at any time Waterboom also will deliver quality documents related to the safety of visitors over the list we have. I think that's all from me. Thank you so much.
And back again with me, Muhammad Iqbal Bolis, and let me discuss the final news of our newspaper. You see, the title is Mayor Tennis Tournament Inter Club Cup. Why I choose sport the sport news? Because I'd like to let the people know more about tennis. I think tennis is tennis is an interesting sport because it's the interesting interesting sport. Even though that tennis is one of the most most okay. So let me discuss let me read the news. Tennis Sports United or Saudi Parepare holding Mayor Tennis Tournament Inter Club Cup in Tennis Girls Asia Inggris. The opening tournament was attended by 32 tennis clubs in Parepare, and were opened by Assistant Government Muhammad Husni Sham. Was by the delegation of each club Tuesday, 7 February. In his presence, to represent the interim mayor of Parepare, Saidi Samsu Alam, Husni gave appreciation to the committee of Jalti Parepare for holding back the tournament, especially that tournament provides many kind of prizes. It also as the series event to commemorate the 52nd birthday of Parepare, where the top of the event will be held at February 7th. Meanwhile, head manager of Jalti Parepare, Haji Wirihaya, said that the Mayor Tournament Cup also as the routine agenda of Jalti that's held in this year together with the birthday moment of Parepare. He hopes that the commemoration birthday of Parepare will gain growth after they held that tournament. Tennis competition that's held by Jalti Parepare absolutely not only the Mayor's Cup. However, on every other important moment, Jalti have also held that look-alike Mayor Cup competition. I think that's all about my job. Forgive us if there are any mistakes because there are no perfect in this world. So, I'm Muhammad Iqbal Bolis, name is Dr.
And I'm Nafisa Karim.
So, let me say this. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.